What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back with another video. And today we about to make us some salmon, man. I got two phones in my hand, so I'm recording both of them. So I'm gonna turn it around right quick. Turn it around. You see that salmon? You see it? You see it? She pulling the skin off of it. Live and direct. Here we go. So she pulling the skin off of it. She about to season it. Not the sunflower season, but the seasoning in there and stuff like that. I didn't have my Creole season. I think I threw it away or something. I don't know what I did with it, but so that's what we're doing right now. And I got her phone going at the same time. And I'm gonna just chop it up a little bit. You know what I mean? Skip through some process, and we're gonna show you what the outcome of the meal will be. You know. Something slight, something healthy, you know what I mean? There she goes. See the skin coming off. I usually slide underhand.
I want to put my hand
but I get it. I get it. That's what's up.
I don't want none of this on my arm.
I don't want none of it on my arm. You gotta get dirty up in there when you know what I mean?
These gloves on. I don't want to touch this.
You gotta get dirty up in there. She got it, y'all. Callie hiding the bone. Literally. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you the process. You hiding the but yeah. So how I cook my salmon, guys, I cook it outside the truck. So once I get it hooked up and get it connected or whatever, I'm gonna show y'all that. Because if you don't, your truck will be stank for like 4 days. And ain't nobody got time for that. All your clothes smelling like salmon. You going in the store, people like, yeah. So yeah, I cook my salmon outside the truck. So we at a Walmart right now, and we just waiting to get unloaded. So while we wait, we cook. And look at the salmon, all done. Looking all very beautiful.
We're gonna rinse this off.
So I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna wrench. We don't say rinse from the country. We say wrench. We wrenching it off. But you know what I mean? So after that, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah. Alright, guys, I just got finished cleaning it off. So she's damping it down. I mean, turn them over a little bit. Turn them over. If y'all know where that came from, go ahead and comment below.
I don't even know where that came from.
Come from the Three Stooges. When he was cooking them eggs. Turn them over a little bit. Turn them over.
I'll take one of these off.
So she's about to, after she finished wiping it down, she's about to season them. Got some Old Bay going on, you know what I mean? Something slight. You gonna cook one whole slab, or you gonna cut it up?
No, I'm gonna cut it up.
Oh, okay. Bet.
I'm gonna season both sides. Usually I only season one side and put it over.
So it won't be fishy. Oh yeah.
Let me just tell y'all what I'm seasoning with. Leave this video.
Yeah.
So we got Old Bay, salt, a little bit of salt because Old Bay got salt in it.
Yep.
Onion powder, garlic powder,
Amen.
paprika,
Yes.
the color because it don't taste like nothing.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil.
Avocado oil on the thing. You gotta cook avocado oil with everything.
Yeah.
I mean, healthy alternatives.
That's good.
And that's what it is. You see it? Look at Salt Bay right there. Onion powder bay.
Don't touch no stuff with raw meat hands. That's so disgusting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have salmonella.
Yep. So she gonna season that, and then I'm gonna go on ahead and get this thing ready. Put on the grill, or well, the skillet, whatever you want to call it, hot plate, and it's still gonna be fire. Watch how it come out. Watch how it come out now. All right. All right. Is that the finished one? That's well, okay.
I forgot what I ate.
That's the other side of it, y'all.
Yeah,
This ain't a continuation of the first side, though.
no. Season both sides. You don't want no
Yeah.
season on one side.
You don't want to season on one side of this. Now, with the chicken, you could do one side and then, you know, mix it all in.
Yeah.
If you don't want to have too much seasoning on your job. Because you really don't need it. But, you know, we want it as black people. But, yeah. Dropping that pepper on that thing.
I don't like it. It's strong.
Strong. Not strong. Sorry.
Strong. Strong meaning.
That's strong. That's strong. And you want to put a dab, a little bit of salt in that. And that's all she wrote us. I don't know what she wrote y'all. There it is. Alright, now I'm about to get my table, set it up right quick, and I'm gonna show y'all that. Hopefully nobody don't back into my grill.
Alright, cut this.
Yeah, she's gonna cut it up for me so I can put it in there real good. Cause I can't put the whole thing in there like that, cause the sides will be hanging out. But I'll get back with y'all in a second. Cut them up. Yeah, they about to be fire. Already know. Only thing about that is I be getting tired of that after the second day. I don't know why. Guys, I be putting this on my salad like sometimes. You know, when I run out of chicken, but I be getting tired of it. Like I can eat chicken every day. Every day of the week. I can never get tired of it. It's just something that I just love to eat. As soon as I do salmon, it could be like 2 days, 3 days max. I'm like, I want my chicken back. But it's good. It just, I don't know. It just be weird to me when I do that. I don't know why it's like that, but there it is. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, there it is.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright. There it is, y'all. Alright, y'all. Look at my little setup right quick. You see it? My truck dirty because of snow, obviously. But anyway, oh, it should be. Yeah. So this is it right here. And I'm gonna put it on this little skillet, you know what I mean? Something a little light. Oyster. Got it turned up. Waiting on them to get hot, and then it's time to go to work, baby. There it is. This is iPhone right here. Maybe an Android. But here it is. I'm about to put this on there. I can't do it with one hand, but all right. Chef Wiz out here. 30-degree weather. 30-degree weather. It's cold out here, but yeah, I mean it's like 30. Something slight, like 30. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. This the end results. Y'all see it. Chef Wiz on the ones and twos.
Fly again.
Huh? I just came back.
I seasoned that.
Oh yeah, I'm talking
And I
about.
showed you how to cook it.
Yo. Wow.
Fly again.
Wow.
You did a good job though.
I know.
After I gave you instructions.
She wanted hers raw. I kept it in there a little while longer, so I wanted mine to look like this. But yeah, that's the finished results. We're about to cook this broccoli, and we're about to get this thing popping. You know what I mean? You feel me? So we're about to clean this out, and then cook the broccoli in here. So we're gonna put this in here. Put this in there. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all right quick. You know, the inside view, cause you know outside I couldn't always see it. You see it seared real nice. You know what I mean? Yeah. They ain't burnt either. Stop playing. That's the camera lighter. Yes, sir.